Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name is Renata and in today's video I'm going to talk about my sewing, what I have sewn, if I have sewn anything, as well as what is going to be happening next week. So if you guys are interested, please meet me in the next section where I will chat with you there. Okay friends, it has been a hot minute since I posted a video. This is not a Friday sews and not a Saturday sews. This is a where have you been Renata video, and I am going to tell you we have a new puppy and life has been crazy with her. Hoot loves her. She is so much fun, but she's also so much work. So that is what has been going on and keeping me away from my projects. I have one sewing project completed and I will share that with you shortly. But a life update, I've been working out a lot. I feel really good. I feel like I've gotten a little bit more muscular. Just adding a little more muscle to tone myself out. I've been lifting weights. I've been juicing for 3 days, and then after that, my next 4 days, I juice for 2 meals, and then I eat something amazing. Or maybe I should change that up. I juice for 3 days completely, and then the last 2 days of the week, or whichever I choose, I actually substitute the juice for 2 meals and have a regular meal, and then on Saturday and Sunday is my free day. I do whatever I want. So that's basically how it's been going, and I think that's been really well. I have been doing other things as well. I've been looking into CBD oil and just CBD as a whole, so I've been looking into that as well, and I've been taking some. I feel like that might be a controversial sort of topic, but I'm looking into it, and so far what the ones that I'm using actually have been making me feel really good. For a week or two I had a really bad pain in my back, and I was wondering, did I fall somewhere? Did I stretch really bad doing a workout? Because it was so bad I could not bend over, so I couldn't work out for about a week. And it's really odd because I could run, because in my mind I'm like, I didn't do anything to hurt myself, so I'm gonna run and maybe that would help it. So I ran, I felt good, and I felt good for a little while, and then after I got home, got comfortable, took my shower and just relaxed after the run, the pain set in again. It was so frustrating. And then my sister-in-law came. She is a chiropractor and she adjusted me, and that helped. And after the adjustment, I started to use some CBD roll on for the pain, and it was just amazing. Like, it was just amazing. Maybe I'll do a video about that, but if I don't, the next time I post a Friday sews, I'm going to link you to the video regarding those products from my other channel. So that's basically all that's been going on. You know, the dogs, they take up a lot of time now. Scarlett is our 3-month-old Australian Shepherd. She's a red merle. She's beautiful. Hoot is our 18-month-old Australian Shepherd, and he is a black tri. So they're beautiful. They love each other. They fight as hell. And also another thing that I didn't mention before that had me totally all over the place was my sister-in-law came because she had to pick up her puppy. Once she realized that we had another puppy and she saw Scarlett, she's like, oh my gosh, I want one. And then we told her, you know, the breeder that we got her from, and they also had Scarlett's sister, which we renamed Adeline, and she is so beautiful and she's just so fun. So we had 3 dogs in our house, and so the 2 puppies just drained and sucked the life out of us, because we woke up, well, basically me, we woke up about every 3 to 4 hours. Basically it's like having a newborn. So you have to take them out every 2 hours, and you have to make sure that they stay separated because they get distracted a lot. So it takes a lot of time. And on top of working a full-time job and just everything with the kids and being off of school and doing extracurricular activities, it was just really a lot. So finally things are cooling down and back to normal. Let me go grab that completed project for you, and I will see you in a second. Okay, so I completed my McCall's M8089 hashtag Adrena McCall's. This dress I made version C, and here it is. I know it doesn't look like much right now looking at it because you really can't see the actual details, but it's super cute. It's really, really nicer than I expected. I wasn't sure about this style. I thought it would look good, but I wasn't sure about this portion of it. There is a, what would you call this? A second layer or double layer, or because it's not tiered. Anyways, I wasn't sure how I felt about this section. I felt like it needed something more, so I added some lace. The sad part is I don't have enough of this lace to do the hem of the main skirt, you know. But this is a long sleeved, I would say it's a average length skirt, so above knee, and it has it has a V here. It's got a mandarin collar and tie and a really nice flowing sleeve. This fabric is super soft, so this is my maneuver make. I'm going to make my my review video for the pattern and the fabric next week, probably tomorrow because it's Sunday. And yeah, I'm going to share this real soon with you all. I like how it turned out. I just feel like I need to balance it out a little bit more because this lace seems odd just because it's the only lace I added, and I'm too lazy right now to unpick it. So I have some left over, and I have thought, you know, this is all I have left over. I thought about probably adding it to this section here, which is a really nice V, so it would look really cute. It fell. Really? Anyways, let me bring it up closer so you guys can see. So on the V here, I thought I would add that lace right here just to add a little more balance and a little more white because it seems odd to me. Let me know if you think it's odd. I'm going to just hand stitch it on before I commit to adding it permanently, or should I look for another lace similar and then just add it to the bottom? Because if there's lace at the bottom on these boat skirt hems, I think I'll feel better, but we'll see how it turns out. And the other project that I'm working on, which is that beautiful silk fabric, I'm actually going to sit down and sew that today because I feel a little bad that I cut it 2 or 3 weeks ago and I haven't sat down to sew it yet. But I had a lot going on and I never want to rush with my sewing projects because I continue to make a lot of mistakes, and that just prolongs the process way too much, and then there's the stress and then you keep making mistakes and it's a crazy cycle. So I like to wait until things are cooled down and completely back to normal before jumping into projects. So that is pretty much it. It's not the most organized video, but I wanted to come here and let you know that I haven't gone anywhere. I've just been a bit tied up with real life. So the other thing before I leave, I wanted to tell you, and so on my other channel, I'm doing a laundry room, can't talk, right? On my other channel, I'm doing a laundry room makeover. And when I say makeover, I'm not busting down any walls. I'm basically just refreshing it by adding decorative pieces. So I just made a video. You'll see me in the same outfit for that, showing my haul. So I thought I'd just give you guys a little quick peek of some of the things that I purchased for that space. So I got like these all these little cute stuff, you know, from my laundry room. If you're interested in that, please head over to that channel. I'll leave the link in the description box. And guys, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I don't know what I would do without you guys coming, watching, liking, sharing my videos. I appreciate it so much, and I can't wait to bring more projects to you. This one was really awesome to complete because it totally kickstarted my sewing mojo back. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye bye.